Hi, in front of me is OnePlus 9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, click on security and lock screen, tap on face unlock and enter your current login method. After that, tap on add face data, read the disclaimer and tap on next. Then click next again. And now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I guess that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!